Hi, my friends, it's Bridget. I thought I would show you how I make my day purse. I have been making this bag here for close to 30 years. And I always said that when the time comes and my customers don't want it anymore, I will stop making it. That has not happened. This is one of the best little workhorses that I have ever seen anywhere around. I use cordura nylon on the outside here, and then the lining here. And then it's lined with silver pack cloth inside. And it's got a couple slip pockets. It's got a key fob. This is just a great little sweet bag. Pocket there, slip pocket there, but then you can add this really pretty fabric, whatever you choose. I use upholstery fabrics mainly, or a very heavy cotton duck or something of that nature. I want to show you how I put this bag together. Now, I'm not going to give you the exact dimensions because it's my little baby that's been with me for a long time, but if you pay attention, you can kind of figure out the size of it. And I am willing to share dimensions and things if you want to get in touch with me in the comments, or if you want to email me. I'm happy to share. So I'm not going to draft the pattern for you is what I'm trying to say. But it's a great little bag. So I am going to put it together and show you how I do that. Now, this is the inside here, and I have it marked with my chalk for my clip and my label. And then this is my line where I attach this gusset piece. This is the front of the bag, and I will line that, and I'll show you that. This is the front zipper, and I attach the zipper. This is the zipper for the gusset, and I have two pieces that go on each side of the zipper. This is my piece, and I just have it marked here because I like my pieces to go the same way as my back so that the color and the sheen is going the same way, and that's why I have that marked. So this will be going on the outside like that so that it comes over like that. And then these are the inside pieces. This is the piece for the clip. And then this is the piece for my strap with a single bar slide to help it adjust. And then I have my little pieces for my loop locks that will go on each side to create my strap like this. I'm going to do it in fast forward because this bag does take a fair amount of time to put together. You can always slow it down. And I'm happy to answer any questions at all. And I will put links in the description. I don't have links for these fabrics in particular, but we all know where we can get beautiful upholstery fabric, And I will link where I get my cordura and my nylon now from. I get it from Canvas, etc. We'll put that in the link. And if anyone is interested in my hardware, I'm happy to share that too. So you just got to get in touch with me. But otherwise, I hope you enjoy my process and seeing how I put one of these cherished, well-loved little engine that could bags. It's always been a wonderful little source of revenue for me, and I am grateful to all of them that have gone out into the world, and they have gone all over the world. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me while I made another one of my day purses. I have made at least, it might be a couple thousand of these over the years. I know that sounds a little nuts, but when you find something that works, you stick with it. And people love this bag. My customers love this bag. And these two actually are off to Germany. And this is staying local with a lovely Vermont customer. And they're just a great bag if you want to take the time and source the materials. They are really sturdy. The nylon does not fall apart when you use the heavier 1000 denier cordura, which is what I use. And pretty upholstery fabrics. I use nylon thread in my machine. And I can share information. If you have any questions, please reach out and I can let you know. I will put some links in the description of things that I can readily and easily share with you. But any other questions are more than welcome. And they're just a lightweight bag. They're great for travel. They compact in if you want to take one and put it in your suitcase. It's just a great little bag. I can't say enough, and I have thousands of testimonials from people over the years and pictures, and I love this bag. I can't say enough about it. It's been part of my life for a very long time. I hope you got something out of the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until next time, have fun out there. Bye.